Okay, hi guys, it's me Lycia and I'm on my way to Angel's Med Spa. You guys have seen I've gone there before to get my lips done and before I got my non-surgical nose job there. I'm back for more. My lips have gone down like significantly. I don't remember the last time I got them done. It was a few months ago. And I'm also gonna try something new. I'm gonna be getting filler in my tear troughs. These are the tear troughs. I just found out that's what they're called. Anyways, we're about to be there and yeah, I will see you when we get there. So we're here guys, we're in the office. The mirror, the beautiful mirror that we always see. My face is, I feel like it's super red, but I'm just like, I'm full of excitement. I'm feeling it. Little blood? Little blood. It wasn't that bad.
Did you feel it?
I felt the needle go in, but it didn't hurt really.
The
like, yeah. I feel like lips are more sensitive, which is weird because I feel like this is so sensitive skin, but yeah, not bad.
You're like, put more.
So today we're going to build up Lycia's cheek a little bit with two products. We're going to use Radius to give her some volume in the mid-face area, and then we're going to go in with the Restylane, the hyaluronic acid, and we're going to go in and just slightly inject the tear trough here where she has a little bit of shadowing and hollow.
Yeah, it really doesn't hurt at all.
It's quite a deep injection. You go down to the bone and pull back so you don't hit any vessels, and then just press in the bone.
So, do you want to introduce yourself? You guys have seen her on my channel before, but for new people who may just be seeing her or seeing me,
Yes, I'm Elise and I'm the RN over here at Angel's Med Spa, and we would love to see you come in, give us a call. We've got a lovely glamorous assistant over here. God, sorry. Lovely Lucinda, she's here and she's gonna like take your call for you, and I'm gonna do your injections. So if you have any questions or if you want to know anything more about what we did today, please give us a call.
I just wanted to update you guys on what my under eyes look like and my lips. So this is what it looks like today. The swelling's going down, and yeah.
I'm still swollen.
I'm still.
You and I've been swollen from allergies, but Lycia looks hot.
This was 7 days after I got the procedure done. I was in Pismo with my friends. You can tell that the bruises under my eyes are turning yellow. I just filmed a get ready with me, so that's why there's makeup right there. I just wanted to show you guys how I look now. It's been, let's see. So it's been a week and a couple of days since I got my under eye filler and my lips retouched at Angel's Med Spa, and bruising is completely gone. I did have a bit of discoloration from bruising, and it was like a greenish blue color, and it was like that for a while, for about a week, and then once a week hit, it started fading to a yellow, and then eventually it disappeared after like 1 or 2 days. And here we are, finally, no more bruising. I love how my lips look. They always make sure that I look proportionate and I don't look crazy, you know? I am obsessed with the under eye filler. It literally changed everything for me. I literally, for the longest time, felt like everyone was just staring at my dark eye circles. If I wasn't wearing makeup, I just felt like I look like a dead person, like a zombie walking around. It feels so good to just be able to not wear makeup and not feel like I look like I haven't slept in years. I really like how it came out. Sorry, I keep looking at myself because I'm literally just like, I can't believe the difference that it has made. I mean, I was looking back at videos from like the past year, past then, and just looking at the difference in like my dark eye circles, they were already bad. I mean, I've had them since I was a baby. That's just how the hollows of my eyes are. They're really deep. And so I've always had dark eye circles, but they did get worse like the 2 years of me living in Los Angeles, you know, partying, drinking, going out every other night, and staying up late with my friends. It really did take a toll on me. So I get plenty of sleep now. I'm a very healthy little girl. I don't go out that much anymore either. And I don't drink that often either. So if you guys watched all of the needles and all of that stuff, I know some of you guys might have just skipped it. Some of you guys probably watched it just to see that. But we like to call it facial glazing or face glazing. She used the Restylane under my eyes, and then she added a little bit of radius around here. If you can see in the video, you know exactly where she put them. You know, I really appreciate Elise's work. I think she's amazing at what she does. And I want to share how great she is at her job. You know, I've seen so many horror stories about people going to get stuff done, whether it's getting lip injections or it's getting under eye filler or Botox. And I've seen these horror stories and I'm like, you guys need to Yelp review these places. Like, really do your research on who you go to. And that's what me and my mom did when I first went to Angel's Med Spa, and they've taken care of me since. I'm just so happy with the results, and I'm super excited that I'm able to share it with you guys. I'm gonna have all the information for Angel's Med Spa in the description below if you want to check them out. If you haven't checked out all of my social medias, check them out. They'll be in the description below. It's all at Lycia Faith. Subscribe if you don't already, and click the little notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a video, because I'm not really on a schedule, so you don't really know when I'm gonna post. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!